Hello and welcome to the Greenhouse Hoop Bender Comparison, DIY or Buy. The DIY tubing bender versus the Bootstrap bender. Part 3, which bends better hoops? If you missed part 1 and 2, we discovered that you can DIY your greenhouse hoop bender to save you money and have effortless bending. Here in this video, we'll show you another reason why it's better to DIY your greenhouse hoop bender, to bend better quality hoops. When I made my first hoop bender, I did not realize how special it was, with its ability to make consistent, repeatable hoops every time. I only realized this after watching videos of people using their Bootstrap Farmer and pre-made hoop benders speak about inconsistent hoop bending action, or hoop consistency, that is based on their skills of learning the bending technique. This is another reason why you need to know about the DIY tubing bender. The DIY tubing bender makes a better hoop, a more consistent hoop. More importantly, you can bend a better hoop with it, with no prior training, instruction, or practice needed. What are Bootstrap Farmer customers saying about their bender? Let's go to Sally as she reads the first customer testimonial.
In a recent Amazon review on February 13th, 2020, Alex C. says, "There is no consistency with the pole bending, but it does bend poles. The instruction video says to bend every 18 inches, but in the video shows the guy only making 4 bends, and they are not 18 inches apart. So all in all, just okay, but I would rather have looked into another options."
Well, Alex, that is why we are making these videos, to show people that there is another option, a resourceful option. I'm sorry that I didn't make these videos sooner to let you know about this, so let me do my best to let everyone else know. In another Amazon review, on November 4th, 2019, Jocelyn P. says, "It works well when screwed down to a solid surface. Takes a little practice to bend them all the same, but that's operator related." Jocelyn. You don't have to be a trained hoop bender to bend great greenhouse hoops. With the DIY tubing bender, the consistency is built in, and you built it that way. The DIY tubing bender will bend your greenhouse hoops like these, consistently. Let's compare the hoop halves that we bent so far. Consistent hoops made possible by consistent and repeatable bending action. So what's the answer? DIY or buy? Which one provides better greenhouse hoops? The DIY tubing bender, with consistent hoops every time. But wait, there's more benefits to building your own greenhouse hoop bender. If saving money, effortless bending, and better consistent hoops is not enough, let me show you 2 more reasons why a DIY tubing bender will make your hoop bending and greenhouse construction better. It's easier to use with a super simple bending technique, and it's 10 times faster. So join us in part 4, where we try to answer the question, which bender is easier to use? If you found value in this video, could you please like and subscribe and leave a comment below? And if you know someone that you think this could help, could you please share it with them? For more information on the DIY tubing bender or the practical DIY greenhouse, go to resourcefulmechanic.com. All the information we talked about in this video will be below in the show notes. Thank you, and we hope you have a great day on the homestead and in your garden. Bye.